Hey guys, if anyone told you ratios are like fractions, they are right. Ratios are very similar to fractions. We can simplify ratios, we can find equivalent ratios, just like we can simplify fractions and we can find equivalent fractions. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to find equivalent ratios. Let us do these examples. First example, it says 4 to 3. We want to know what is the equivalent ratio something to 6. This is our first and this is our second. 4 to 3 is something to 6. We ask, how did we get from 3 to 6? 3 to 6, we know it went up, so we multiply by 2. 3 times 2 makes 6. Well, whatever we do to one, we got to do to the other. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 to 3 is equivalent to 8 to 6. It is that easy. Very similar to fractions. Next one. 50 to 40 is the same as, is equivalent to 5 to something. What is that something? Well, let us quickly work it out. From 50 to 5. How did they get there? It went down. So we know to go down, we divide. 50 divided by what equals to 5? 50 divided by 10. Whatever we do to one, we got to do to the other. Divide by 10 here. 40 divided by 10, 4. 50 to 40 is equivalent to 5 to 4. It is that simple. Another two examples. We have 12 to 5. 12 to 5 is equivalent to 36 to something. What is that something? It's missing. Let's find out. From 12 to 36. How do we get from 12 to 36? We know 12 times 3 is 36. Again, what we do to one, we got to do to the other. 5 times 3, 15. So 12 to 5 is the same as, is equivalent to 36 to 15. Last one, 6 to 9 is equivalent to 12 to something. Can you do this one? I'm sure you can. It's very easy. 6 to 9 is equivalent 12 to something. How did they get from 6 to 12? Times 2. What we do to one, we got to do to the other. 9 times 2 is 18. 6 to 9 is equivalent 12 to 18. Equivalent ratios, very easy, straightforward. What we do to one, we do to the other. What we do to one, we do to the other. And we notice they are equivalent. We can either multiply or we can either divide. If we're going up, we multiply. And if we're going down, we divide. It is that easy.